channel New Lectures. Here today we are going to tell you about a very important lecture that's called Spoken English. You know, this is the need of the time. Everyone wants to speak in English. Everyone. But the problem is that when we are going to try to speak in English, we just hesitate that I am speaking, but it's wrong. No, you have to speak, whether it's wrong or right. All over the world, some techniques are being used for new learners. They are not natives. They want to learn English. There are some techniques are being used. Now we are going to tell you about that techniques. In that lecture, after learning the techniques, you will be able to speak in English, inshallah, by the grace of Allah Almighty. So, attentively here, there are the three things is that first is communication. If you are good at communication, first thing I am going to tell you is communication. Communication is the first process, first step for good English. The second thing is relationship building. What is a relationship building? Relationship building means if you are speaking English with yourself, how is it possible that you are going to teach a very good way? It's not good. For example, if you are a partner with whom you are going to speak in English, it means he will tell you that you are speaking right or wrong. So first thing is relationship building. Second thing. And the third thing is sense of self. First of all, confidence, boost of the confidence that I will speak in English very well. First of all, your interest is everything. Because when the sense of self in you, that you will be speaking very well. Okay? Here is a process that we call LSRW. What is it? You know that's what is it? This is the technique. This is the technique code. After that, you will be understand that how will you be able to speak in English. First of all, our first thing is L. It means listening. What is it? Listening. Listening. Why is listening so important? Listening is more important than anything. One thing you have to keep in your mind, who listens more, he speaks more. You know what is it? Who listens more, he speaks more. What I did say? I said, who listens more, he speaks more. If you are going to listen more and more, then you will be speaking English more and more. Why is listening so important? One thing. Why is listening so important? I think if you don't listen the English language, you will not be able to speak English. First of all, make practicing on listening. Okay? We will share you some articles, some stuff that will help you in listening. Okay? First is, for example, you are listening some conversation. Two persons are talking and you are listening. One thing I'm going to tell you, that's you will be happy that the listening process is started now because you are listening me. The listening process is started now. Thus, you are understanding that what I'm saying. If you are getting understand that what I'm saying to you, it means you are better one. Okay? And the second thing is that speaking. What is that? Speaking. After listening, you will be able to speak. Okay? Speak fluently. Not fluently, but you can speak. You can inform your way. You can inform your message. Okay? The second thing is that speaking. What is speaking? Speaking. After listening, the step will be speaking. Okay? In that speaking, you have to set your goals. I am challenging you. If you spend daily 1 hour on this lecture, you will be able to speak in English after 2 months. In 60 days, you will be able to speak in English very well. Okay? First thing, you have to set your goals. If you don't set your goals, you will not be able to speak in English. Okay? First of all, set your goals. How? First of all, you have to know 5 words daily. 5 words, new 5 words. Okay? After that, you have to make practices on speaking. How many times? Only 10 minutes. Okay? The third one is movies or films. Okay? Movies are very important. Okay? If you use to accent of the foreigners, you have to watch the films. First of all, we discuss about the words. Okay? If you know 5 words, any 5 words, you have been studying since many years, for many years, but you know many words of English. You have to try to use these words in your daily routine. Okay? For example, you know that first word is that I'm going to tell you that's get up. You have to use this get up in your conversation. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. I'm going to do anything. For example, get up, use these words, going to these words in your conversation. For example, going. I'm telling you going. Now you can make as many words. I'm going to school. I'm going to market. Your mom asks for you, where are you going? You just say, I'm going to market. If your family asks to you in your mother language, you have to answer in English. That's I'm going to bazaar, I'm going to market, I'm going to school, I'm going to college, I'm going to academy. Use these words. One thing, just keep in your mind. If you don't make the part of your life the English, you will never be speaking English very well. Make it part of your life. Speak nearly about 1 hour daily. You know that from your childhood, then now you are a businessman. If you are a student, if you are a businessman, student or laborer, you know that for many years you have been studying, but you are not able to speak in English. Why? Have you ever think why you are not be able to speak in English? Because your teachers told you how to write. Now you are be able to write. Your teachers told you how to read. Now you are be able to read. Your teachers tell you how to listen. Now you are be able to listen. But your teachers, not your family, told you how to speak. That's why you don't speak. So speaking is the first process. Okay, if you make practice on speaking, you will be able to speak in English very well. You know that in YouTube channels, many things are coming that you will be learning English in 3 days, in 3 minutes, and in 1 month. It's not be able. It's can't. Why? Because when it's depend on you. What? It's depend on you. That's if you want to speak in English one day, you can. If you want to speak in 2 months, you can. Why? Because it's up to you. First thing, if you give your more and more time to English, speaking English, listening English, you will be speaking English. 2 things that I'm going to tell you. That's first thing is input, and the second is output. You know what? When we listen something, that is input process. Then we speak, it's an output process. Okay? First, you have to make a vocabulary in your mind, then speak that word. If your mind saved 1,000 words, how many words? 1,000 words in your mind, now you can join these words. Join and speak. It doesn't matter how you are speaking, right or wrong. Just want to speak, okay? Just make practice on speaking. And the third one is that stop learning grammar, stop learning anything, because speaking is not need for grammar, okay? Just try to speak every time you have to. Now I am asking you some question that is a very big activity. If you work on that activity, you will be able to speak in English. I am asking you one question that is here. What is the question? The question is, are you an English speaker? I'm asking you, are you an English speaker? You just No, I'm not. No, you are. You are. You say to yourself that yes, I am an English speaker. I am an English speaker. If you say yourself, it will be confidence. Okay? It is a good confidence. Are you an English speaker? Yes, I'm an English speaker. Okay, I'm giving you activity. That's whenever you are in your bed, you are going to sleep. You just say yourself, I am an English speaker. I'm an English speaker 5 times. And when you get up in the morning, you are going to take a shower, just say, I'm an English speaker. That is an activity. Okay? Say it to yourself. The second step is that you have to say this word your partner. One thing again, just keep in your mind, the partner is very important for this activity. What? Partner. What is partner? If you have a partner who knows about English, who can speak in English very well, that is, it will prove very fruitful for you. For example, if you have a friend who speaks in English very well, that is okay. If he is not good at English, then it's okay, because you have to talk with each other what they are. For example, if you are sitting in front of anything, you have asked to him, what is it? He will answer. That is, for example, that is a desk, that is a pen, it is a pen. It's a start of speaking. Okay? Speak. Whether you are right or wrong, just speak. Make practice on speaking. That is the first and the foremost key of speaking English. Okay? Inshallah, and I'm telling you that I will give you the stuff, I will share the stuff in my WhatsApp group for listening. I think first is listening. I will send you the conversation of some foreigner who are talking with each other. You just listen. It's not a matter that you say this, I'm not understanding, sir, they are, what are they are doing. Just understand, just listen what they are saying. After that process, you will be able to speak. Okay? And the second thing is that if you need anything about words, because we are going to tell you about the words, if you have some need of speaking, we will tell you speaking, we will tell you about speaking. Movies, you can watch movies on HBO or Star Movies. You know that on that movies, you have some subtitle under that screen. You can see they are saying something. Just note that word. For example, some words are very difficult for you. Just write down that word and see in the thesaurus what is the meaning of that word. Then speak that. Okay? The first step is listening, then speaking. Okay. Thank you so much.